Welcome to CK Legalogy. Today, our topic of discussion is about two questions. Can we expect APO result today? This is the first and the foremost topic that we are very excited about. So, as per the information that we are receiving, yes, you can expect the result before the end of today. It can be by 6 p.m., it can be by 7 p.m., or it can be even by 10 p.m. But you know the commission, no one can give you guarantee, but yes, the information seems genuine. So let's wait. Till then, yes, I want to see your excitement through comments. And the second question is, can we expect judiciary result today? No. It will take another at least 1 week for commission to declare judicial services examinations. So wait for that. Thank you for watching CK Legal Logic.